Making HR easy for first-time employers can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to streamline your HR process and focus on what really matters: growing your business. If you're a first-time employer, stay tuned because I'll reveal some tools that will make this job a lot easier for you. And at the end, I've got a special offer just for viewers like you. First things first, HR doesn't need to be complicated. Start by getting your paperwork in order. This means having a clear system for things like employee contracts, tax forms, and other essential documents. You need to keep these organized and easily accessible. Trust me, it'll save you time and stress down the road. Next, focus on employee onboarding. Whether you're hiring your first employee or your 10th, an organized onboarding process sets the tone for the entire working relationship. Have a checklist in place to guide new hires through everything they need to know: company culture, policies, and what's expected of them. This makes a smooth transition for everyone. But here's where it gets easier: HR software. This is a game changer for first-time employers. Instead of manually tracking employee data, payroll, or leave requests, a solid HR software system automates these tasks for you. It takes the guesswork out of things like compliance, employee benefits, and payroll processing. And you don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. Most software options are simple and user-friendly. I've personally tried some of the most popular HR software out there, and I'm excited to share that the software I'm recommending today can handle all of these tasks with ease. It's the one I use for my own business, and it's helped me stay on top of everything. If you want to follow along, check the link in the description for an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. Another quick tip for simplifying HR: set up clear communication channels with your employees. Whether it's an HR-specific email or an employee portal, make sure they know how to contact you with questions or issues. This will help build trust and ensure things run smoothly. Lastly, don't forget about employee feedback. Regular check-ins or surveys help keep morale high and ensure that your team feels valued. It also gives you insight into areas where you can improve as an employer. So, what's the key takeaway here? Making HR easy for first-time employers comes down to two things: organization and using the right tools. Get your paperwork and processes in order, streamline with HR software, and create an environment of open communication. Remember, HR doesn't have to be a headache. It just takes the right approach. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's the best way to start making HR easier for you and your business today. Thanks for watching.